This video is designed to show you some key concepts we went over in our lesson 4-9. The goal for today was to be able to divide decimals by 10, 100, and 1000, or powers of 10. The key tip for today that we talked about was when you're dividing by 10, 100, or 1000, you need to move the decimal to the left, the total amount of zeros you see in the divisor. So the first example that we have here is 73 and 5/10 divided by 10. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to rewrite that 73 and 5/10. Then we're going to take a look at the divisor and think about our key tip for today. And remember, the number of zeros I have in my divisor means the total amount of places I'm moving my decimal to the left. Since 10 only has one zero, I'm going to take my decimal point and move it one place to the left. So I divided 73 and 5/10 by 10, and that gave me 7 and 35/100. And so I'm just going to rewrite my answer, 7 and 35/100. So now we're going to take a look at an example of what happens when we run out of numbers to go around. So we have 7 and 38/100 divided by 1000. And you remember our key tip, the total amount of zeros we have in our divisor represents the total number of places to the left we're going to move our decimal. So I'm going to rewrite 7 and 38/100. And I'm going to start moving my decimal point 3 places to the left. So I move my decimal point 1 place to the left. Now I have run out of numbers, and so because I have run out of numbers, I'm going to start adding zeros. So that's 1 place to the left. I can add a 0. Now I can do 2 places to the left. And then I need to add 1 more 0 in order to get it 3 places to the left. So I have my decimal right there. Okay, so I've taken 7 and 38/100. I've divided that by 1000. So you can see that I had to add 2 zeros in front of my decimal because I needed more numbers to go around. So 7 and 38/100 equals 0.00738. So you can see my final answer is 0.00738. So I had to move my decimal point 3 places to the left, which required me to add the 2 zeros in front of 7 and 38/100. So those are some examples that we went over today in lesson 4-9.